Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be talking about Stellar XLM. I appreciate you guys. As always, as I said to you guys, continue supporting. You will see a continuation of these updates, and that's exactly what I am bringing you guys. But yeah, looking across the board, the market has been experiencing a complete roller coaster of a ride, and I'm sure everyone at this point is, more than well aware as to what's happening right now. Once again, you are seeing a few coins up, but majority of the market once again in red. Again, like I said, a lot of fluctuation happening within the crypto markets, which of course is having an impact on the market itself. But a lot of utility projects are up still, especially the US based projects: Solana, XLM, Cardano, HBAR, of course, XRP. You're seeing the US-based, projects really showing, the strength that they have for themselves. Of course, not all of them, but the ones that are prominent, that are being talked about quite a bit, are the ones that are feeling the love. XLM, sure, it's not definitely making no big moves, but it's still in green, which I'm sure no one's complaining about. It's up 1% right now, with the price currently sitting at 29.5 cents. We're down in Bitcoin compared, down about 0.3%. Valuation at $9 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $360.2 million. We're very, very close to HBAR. And, it's that battle that I always see, XLM, HBAR, XLM, HBAR. They're very, very close in terms of market valuation. Let's see which one comes at the top. Do let me know in the comments down below. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Dominance has been picking up, even though we have seen a little bit of a, downside wick. Nothing to be getting excited about, because dominance is still quite high, and if we see a little bit of a budge in Bitcoin, I think we could actually start heading towards the likes of 62.4% even. And I know you guys are probably like, Crypto ZX, that sounds absolutely crazy, but believe it or not, that can actually become a reality, because Bitcoin is still in the 38.2. I'm not getting bullish until we get back in the 23.6 and actually remain within the 23.6, and of course right now that's not the case. So very, very important for us to make our move back towards the upside. Right now, obviously that's not the case, so of course that still keeps the door open for us to retest the likes of 82,000, potentially even 80k. But with that said, if you're looking at XLM right now, XLM of course has dropped quite significantly since yesterday's market manipulation. If you want to put this into perspective, about a 26% drop. I'm sure not a lot of people are happy about this, but it is what it is. You can't really do much about that. You are seeing a little bit of a bounce, about like a 9% move towards the upside, which of course is always nice to see. But you really want to see the price of XLM making its way back up to the likes of this 31.3 cents. These are some of the key levels that you really want to be watching out for, because if it's able to flip this range into support, I really do believe we could start retesting this wick that we saw just a few days ago. That itself is only a 27.6% move, but believe it or not, market can move up very fast. And on the bright side, if you did watch my HBAR update, I did say this. Obviously, XLM HBAR did not make the short list of the crypto, strategic reserve. But what if these were to be added? Friday is that meeting. A lot of people are, obviously speculating that, they will add more. Again, obviously nothing confirmed, but obviously speculation is happening that, they could potentially add more assets. And if, these projects were named on the list, I do believe it can have a move like Cardano. Cardano was sitting at $15 billion market valuation, pumped up double. Literally doubled. 16 or 17 billion, but yeah, almost the same. And it literally pumped up double, and that tells you how fast this money is coming in. As I've said to you guys before, the money that we're seeing coming in the space right now is not small money. This is institutional money coming in at a record pace. And of course, I think that could definitely happen with XLM, a project that is working with enterprises, bringing real world use case. Obviously, in terms of the competition is quite high, right? But you'd really want to, build together. That's very, very important. You don't want to be building against one another and, kind of causing problems. You really want to build together to really innovate and become, the crypto, global hub, obviously become the US. In order for that to happen, all these, companies need to work together and really become, make, blockchain the best, and, make the worldwide enterprises understand the importance of blockchain technology. But anyhow, so far so good. Obviously you're not seeing explosive moves, but like I said, some of these targets we need to keep an eye out on. But you don't really want to see the price of Bitcoin drop in, because if it does, I expect dominance will start picking up, which of course could have a lag for XLM. But let me know down below what you guys think. I love you all. See you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.